So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Barbie Charity back with another video. So I have shot this Diwali makeup tutorial for you guys and I hope you like it. I'm sorry for posting late videos. Yesterday I uploaded the Halloween makeup tutorial and today I'm uploading this beautiful look which I tried. I have actually done subtle lips with a hint of color on my lips and I absolutely love this shimmer on my eyelid and the lip shade that I wore today. And I tried something different out of the box, like I just tried to do this messy kind of hair bun and it just turned out great. So thanks for watching, and without further more ado, let's get started with the video. And I hope you will like, share and subscribe my video if you like my video. So first I'm going to use this Good Vibes Plus Tea Tree Plus Mulberry Oil Control Serum all over my face and massage that into my skin. Next I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 310 and just dot it all over my face. I took one pump of the foundation because it's just full coverage and one pump will cover my whole face, and I'm also applying the foundation on my neck, and I'll just blend the foundation with a flat top kabuki brush. And this foundation is actually so flawless and it's a very nice foundation. If you want to see a detailed review on this foundation, then please go and check the links in my bio in the description box down below. Next I'm going to take the Wet n Wild eyebrow palette and use those two shades to fill into my eyebrows. So I'm using the darker shade to shape up my eyebrows and to fill the outer edges, and I'll be using the blonde shade from the eyebrow palette to fill in the front portion of my eyebrows in a vertical manner, and then spooling it out so that the product blends in well and doesn't look harsh. Then I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 06 Clairvoyant. I'm using a flat top pointed brush. I'm going to clean my eyebrows. Then using the same concealer as my eyelid primer, using it as a base for my eyeshadows, I'm going to then blend it out with a small buffing brush by the brand Jessup. So I'm just blending it out. Next I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light. Next I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution XO palette and using this shade Cookie Dough, which is a very cool tone kind of shade, and using it with a fluffy blending brush as my transition shade and blending it out nicely. Next I'm gonna take the shade Sweet and Sour from the same palette and I'm again building the shade up as my transition shade. Then I'm gonna use the shade Chocolate Orange from the same palette and concentrating that shade on my crease using a flat blending brush. I'm just concentrating the shade Chocolate Orange into my crease, as you can see, and then again taking the fluffy blending brush and blending everything out. Then using the Makeup Revolution palette, Eyes Like Angels palette, I'm taking this shade Pearl White, which is a beautiful light golden kind of shade, and putting that on my inner half of my eyelid. Then using a flat top brush, I'm actually applying it on the very inner corner of my eyes and then just blending it out with the flat blending brush. And again I'm just building up the shade because after blending the pigmentation of the shade just blew off, so I'm just building it up and blending it around until I'm happy. Then using the shade Enchanted on the outer V of my eyelid using a petite crease brush. So I'm blending the shade Enchanted on the outer V to make it feel a little bit more deeper. Then using the shade black and that brown, deep brownish shade from the palette, I'm just smoking out my upper lash line so that it just gives a look kind of liner, but it's not exactly a liner, it just gives a very soft kind of look. And then I'm dusting off the excess glitter and applying the same Swiss Beauty concealer underneath my eyes and blending it out with the same small blending brush. This concealer is also a really good one if you want to go in a budget. Then I'm setting my under eyes, my T-zone, and my smile lines, also my chin area, with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 light. Then I'm smoking out the outer edge of my lower lash line with the same colors. I'm using a very small flat brush over here. This is actually a smudger brush by the brand Jessup. Then using this same shade chocolate orange which I had previously used on my crease, over here I'm using a small pencil brush to just blend the shade out on my lower lash line. Then using the Maybelline Falsies mascara, I'm just applying some mascara on my lashes. I'm not here using any falsies over here because I just wanted this look to look ultra natural, like not actually natural, but you know, look a little bit natural as well as glam. So I didn't apply any extra falsies. Then I'm going to use this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade blue and apply that on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to use the Milani XL bronzer in the shade 01 Sun Glow and just apply that on my face. And then using this flat fluffy brush to contour my nose. Then I'm going to use this SFR color blusher in this shade 01 Coral Orange. It's a very beautiful pinky coral color. Next, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution XO palette, and using this shade right over here, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, my brow bone, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's pull, as well as my inner corners and my forehead too. Then I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Mauve. It's a very beautiful lip color. I always get compliments whenever I wear this lip color. And it's an amazing festive lip color too. And this is my finished look. Bye!